called the action button. You may have noticed that in all your Fly messages, they inherited this big button called action. When you click on it, you actually have 3 items: preview, word count, and version history. In addition, one of my favorite ones, comes from a lot of marketers. Marketers want to know, hey, I'm using creating a message and I'm engaging with our buyers for a webinar. No problem. Guess what? You now have the ability to preview. Oh man, look at that. That is so awesome. So you can preview this item here, and in preview mode, you can see what it's going to look like on a desktop. You can see what it's going to look like on a mobile device, and identify how many scrolls it might take. By the way, you'll be able to see the little scrolling bar if it was a long enough message. So this is one of those great views to think about what we've taught always for the last 5 years, Vivica, myself, and the rest of the team. Hey, never, ever, ever send a message to anybody that is longer than a one-touch scroll. So there you go. You've got it right here. You've got the preview. You have the ability to be able to see what it looks like. And guess what? We have this ability to copy shareable link. What's that for? Well, if you're in marketing, if you're in customer success, if you're in sales and you want to share this with your boss, your counterparts, and you want to say, hey, take a look at this message before I send it out. How does the formatting look? That happens all the time. So copy the shareable link. We're going to come right over here. We're going to paste that shareable link right there. And bada bing, bada boom. You can actually send it now to anyone that is not in your organization to have them take a look at what this Fly message will look like with an image, with a video Giphy, whatever it might be. Super cool, right? All right. In addition, you can toggle between rich text preview and simple text preview. And when you toggle back and forth between rich text and simple text, you will see that we actually remove the picture and we convert that picture into its native URL stored on the FlyMSG server through Amazon Web Services. So there you go. Rich text, simple text. There you have it. That is the preview button. And it is especially a good technique for anybody that is a business owner, entrepreneur, solopreneur, if you're in customer success, and certainly if you're in marketing, which is one of the big giant use cases this came from.